In this video, we're going to walk through how to install the APK on Windows 11. Let's get started. So you're going to go to Google and type in memuplay.com. And you're going to click on this to download the Memu emulator. Once downloading is complete, open the installer, then click Quick Install. Then click Reject and Reject. Once the emulator is open, click on Install APK and select your APK which you want to install. In my case, it's the WhatsApp APK. Now as you can see, the installation is finished. Now you can click on Open. Hope this video helped you and thanks for watching.